Hi everyone, it's Grant Abbott, CEO of LYG Training Group and also Chairman of the Succession Asset Protection and Estate Planning Advisors Association. And I'd like to invite you to attend the first ever accreditation for a Succession Asset Protection and Estate Planning Advisor, commencing on the 19th and going through to the 21st of July, a 3-day course, 14 modules and one accreditation to become a certified SAPEPAA advisor. And how exciting is that? And I'd like to go through the 5 reasons that I'd strongly advise you to invest in a SAPEPAA certification. First and foremost, if you can see here that you can be the star in a $7 trillion industry. Now, I started in self-managed superannuation funds and I love them to death, but it's only a small portion of the all-encompassing succession, asset protection and estate planning landscape. Importantly, from your perspective, this is a brand new field. We have lawyers doing estate planning, to some very small extent accountants doing asset protection. And then on the other hand, in terms of succession, no one is doing that. And it's absolutely crucial for you to look at being right at the very forefront of a $7 trillion industry. As over the next 20 to 30 years, more than $7 trillion passes between generations or is impacted by asset protection. I fully expect that by 2026, there'll be 3,000 SAPEPAA certified advisors coming through certification processes and accreditation courses from universities such as Griffith and Deakin, training colleges such as Kaplan, and of course, our LYG Training Group. We're very lucky to be at the very forefront and build a course all in line with the competency standards laid down by SAPEPAA. Very strong competency standards. And wouldn't you like to be one of the first 100 ever into this course? How exciting would that one be? In 4 or 5 years' time, you'll have the experience, confidence, and be a future leader of the SAPEPAA industry. Reason 2, I've found, particularly dealing with self-managed super funds, which are far more complex than SAPEPAA, which is more a really great way to deal with clients in terms of family, bloodline, succession, all of those things, but not hamstrung by the 2,800 pages of legislation and SMSFs. The main thing that I've found though is once you've done this course, you can go out and have a look in August when you're certified. You can see up on the walls your designation. You've got your cards with the SAPEPAA advisor, certified advisor, sitting on your cards. It's going to give you confidence to deal not with just a $1 million client, a $5 million client, but a 10, 20, $100 million client. Because at the end of the day, they all want comprehensive asset protection, both during their life, either from a family law perspective, a litigation perspective, incapacity planning perspective, or certainly after in terms of family provisions claims. Most clients, if you ask them, definitely want to ensure that all their wealth goes to their bloodline and doesn't leak out or be dissipated by family provisions claims or family law from next generation, the generation after that. And that can all be achieved easily with a LYG Docs leading member suite. And of course, succession planning, delivering 3 or 4 generations down through these amazing trusts that will build on the course, how to deliver these amazing family protection trusts, setting places up for amazing asset protection, and also providing tax minimisation, stamp duty minimisation, and of course, superannuation planning. So you need to get that confidence, and this course will give you the skills, the knowledge, the learning to get that confidence. Thirdly, you're going to be trained by me, of course, and I've been a trainer for a long, long time. A certificate for trainer. I've done more than 2,000 presentations, written books on self-managed super funds, and in the process with other strategists, writing a book on succession, asset protection, and estate planning. Now I've built along with others, the competency standards for SAPEPAA. And again, they're very deep, very detailed, and certainly commensurate with the standards that I built for RG 146, providing advice in self-managed super funds. In fact, it's even a little bit higher than that, if you ask me. Now, I've pulled together all my knowledge in over 30 years in succession planning, estate planning, SMSFs, taxation, and asset protection. And in this course, you're going to get it from the best of the best. Now, of course, you can wait a few years and get involved with Griffith University if they come up with a deacon or whatever. But are you going to get the best trainers? So you might as well jump in and get trained by not only the master trainer, but also the SAPEPAA chairman. Reason 4, designation known. Be a SAPEPAA certified advisor. Would you like to see that on your card? Would you like to see that certificate sitting up on your wall and sitting back with confidence that you are one of the best in this new leading field over a $7 trillion industry? And during the course, there'll be plenty of time to ask questions. There'll be plenty of time to go through multiple case studies. And during that course, I'll be actually assessing you on the way through polls and Q&As. And more importantly, the last 2 hours of the course, there'll be 40 multiple choice questions. So it's very exciting to become a certified SAPEPAA advisor. And finally, what I would strongly suggest is, out of all of this course, the best investment is, instead of coming to me and getting me to build a $30,000 comprehensive moat and castle around all your family affairs, you'll be building it for yourself. And that's going to be fantastic, because from a place of learning and confidence, you're going to build your own moat and castle. You're going to protect your family's wealth. You're going to protect your family's business. You're going to be deep diving into wills and testamentary trusts, and I'll show you why they are passé, and that the living will is now the way to go. And that's very exciting. You'll be building all of this for yourself, and then you'll be able to take it back to your clients. And from that perspective, you'll be able to tell your clients that you've done it for yourself, and it's absolutely vital. Within your client base, there is millions of dollars of consulting fees, absolutely. And this course will bring it all out. So they're my 5 reasons why you must invest at this early stage in the SAPEPAA accreditation course. You can wait, you can dilly-dally around, but this opportunity doesn't come around too late. Wouldn't it be great to get your own affairs and then start getting into your clients? It's very exciting. No pushback from clients, and they love that particular advice. Anyway, it's Grant Abbott. Looking forward to seeing you from the 19th to the 21st of July.